Most traders think you need indicators, complex systems, or luck to grow a small account. In this video, I'll break down one real GBP trade that took a $90 account to $400 using pure price action on the 1-minute chart. No indicators, no guessing, just structure, patience, and execution. Let's break it down. So this is our trade. We were trading GBPJPY. Mind you, I always trade these setups live with my premium trading group. So if you want to take these setups with me, join our monthly trading program. We always trade live every day, the London session. So if you want to join, the link will be in the description. Tap on it and you come and join the challenge. So let me first talk about the context, because entries mean nothing without it. We are on GBPJPY 1-minute time frame. This pair is aggressive, volatile, and perfect for scrapping if you respect structure. Before I even think about entering, I want to see where price is reacting from. So I'll have my level of support drawn here. We had our level of support here, and then we got our trend 1, which is also our impulse. So why is this important? This impulse is going to tell me that the buyers are active, the order flow has shifted, and most importantly, structure is being built. And when this trend 1 is formed, we shall have our high being created at that zone. So after this impulse, you're going to see that price is consolidating, and it is forming another level of support at this zone, which is also our higher low. After forming this higher low, we are getting our second trend. We shall have our second trend. Why is it also important? So this second push is confirming to us the strength, the continuation, and the directional bias. So now I'll start being interested in what? In buys, because we are seeing the structure being built, and we are seeing the buyers being interested in pushing the market further to the upside. Okay, so this second impulse or trend is also forming another higher high. So you're seeing that structure is being formed, is being respected, because price is making new higher highs. What does that mean? The buyers are ready to push the market to the upside. So we shall have our area of confluence at this zone here, which is also our AOC. So that is our area of confluence. So what am I waiting for to see at that area of confluence? I'm waiting to see a clean pullback into this zone. I want to see the buyers respecting structure, respecting the laws that are being formed, and most importantly, I want to see how price is reacting in our area of confluence. So after price coming back into our area of confluence here, you're seeing that buyers, how are the buyers reacting from our area of confluence? We're having a very big momentum candle. It is engulfing most of the sell candles that are coming in. What does that indicate to us? shows us that buyers are what? Buyers are ready to push the market to the upside. So when this candle closed, you're going to see that I took my buys. At that candle closure. Then